Hello students. In our previous video we discussed concept number 3. So in this video we are discussing concept number 4 in the books of Sita. So let us jump into the problem and try solving this particular problem. First being drawing down the balances. Sita owes Ram 15,000 rupees and Hanuman owes Sita 20,000 rupees. What does this mean? So Ram is a creditor and Hanuman is a debtor. That is why the question says Sita owes Ram. It means Sita is payable to Ram. And Hanuman owes Sita means Hanuman is liable to Sita. 20,000. So in that case, Ram's account will be showing credit balance and Hanuman's account will be showing debit balance. So accordingly, we have to write two balance brought down in the Hanuman's account on the debit side being an asset, whereas Ram being a creditor liability, we have to write it on the credit side by balance brought down 15,000 rupees. Moving on to the transactions now, let us start understanding the transaction. And on 4th April 2020, Ram sold goods worth 60,000 rupees at 10% trade discount to Sita. So in this case, Ram is selling goods, matlab Sita is purchasing. We are purchasing goods from Ram. So in this case, the journal entry will be purchase account debited to Ram account. However, trade discount should not be considered in the books of accounts. Hence, the net value we have to consider for 60,000 percent trade discount will be 6,000 rupees. The net value will be 54,000. So the journal entry will be purchase account debited to Ram account. Accordingly, we have to post it on the credit side of the Ram account by purchase account 54,000 rupees. Moving on to the next transaction. On 5th April 2020, Sita sold to Hanuman goods pricing at 30,000 rupees. The journal entry for this transaction is Hanuman account debited to sales account. So while posting, we have to debit Hanuman as to sales account 30,000 rupees. Moving on to the next transaction, on 17th April 2020, purchase of 25,000 rupees net from Ram, which was sold to Hanuman at a profit of 15,000 rupees. Students, understand, in this particular transaction, there is one purchase and another sale. We have purchased from Ram at 25,000 and we have sold goods to Hanuman for 40,000 rupees. The 40,000 how we arrived at is basically cost plus profit is equal to selling price. So 25,000 plus 15,000 profit, getting at 40,000 rupees. So the journal entry will be purchase account debited to Ram account. So Ram account is credited by purchases account. And in another transaction, Hanuman account debited to sales account. So at a profit of 40,000, at a profit of 15,000 means selling price is 40,000 rupees. So on the Hanuman account debit side, we have to write 40,000 to sales account. Moving on to the next transaction, on 19th April, Sita rejected 10% of Ram's goods which was purchased on 4th April. The transaction which was done on 4th April on purchases was 60,000 minus 6,000, 54,000 rupees. Students, don't get confused. 10% of the goods should be valued at 54,000 and not at 60,000 because 54,000 is the net purchase value. So the journal entry will be purchases account has to be reversed by crediting purchase returns. So the journal entry will be Ram account debited to purchase returns account. Moving on to the next transaction, on 19th April 2020, Sita issued a cash memo for 10,000 rupees to Hanuman, who personally came for the consignment. Students, this is basically a cash sale transaction. So here cash memo means cash voucher issued to Hanuman when he purchases goods from Sita. So Sita is receiving cash, hence she is issuing cash memo. So this is a case of cash sales and not a credit sales. Hence no entry will be coming in the
account of Hanuman account. So the journal entry is Hanuman account. We should not be used here. So the journal entry will be cash account debited to sales account. Moving on to the next transaction, on 22nd April 2020, Hanuman cleared half of his total dues to Sita, enjoying half percent cash discount of payment received, of which 20,000 rupees was by check. Student, in this case, we have to calculate what is the total due of Hanuman account. So from Hanuman, there are three entries appearing on the debit side of the Hanuman. So 20,000 plus 30,000 plus 40,000 are totaling at 90,000. So the total dues was 90,000, out of which he is clearing half of it. Half matlab 50% of 90,000 is 45,000. So balance payable from Hanuman is 45,000. And in this case, when he is willing to pay 45,000 rupees, we are giving him a half percent cash discount, which means 45,000 into 0.5% comes at 225. Students, please remember, this is a half percent and not half. Generally, students make mistakes here by confusing it, treating that half percent as half. Half is different from half percent. So 45,000 into half percent, you will get 225. So the total payment is being made by Hanuman is 44,775, out of which cash is 24,775, check is 20,000 as given in the question. So accordingly, we have to post it on the credit side of the Hanuman account by bank account 20,000, by cash account 24,775, and by discount allowed 225. Moving on to the next transaction, on 26th April 2020, Ram's total dues, where 10,000 were held back, were cleared by check, enjoying cash discount of 1,000 rupees on the payment made. Since we are issuing check to him, so the journal entry will be Ram's account should be debited and the payment should be in the form of check, right? So bank account has to be credited. Here, for calculating the amount payable, the total due from Ram was 88,600. So totaling all the credit and deducting the purchase returns, we arrive at 88,600. In that, 10,000 is being retained as balance and we are not paying. Sita is not paying. So total remittance is being made to the extent of 77,600, out of which 10,000 rupees is being allowed by Ram as discount. So net payable is 77,600. So Ram account has to be debited to bank account 77,600, to discount received 1,000. Moving on to the next transaction, as to 29th April 2020, close Hanuman account to record the fact that all but 5,000 was cleared by him by check because he was declared bankrupt. Students, in professional course exams, you have to be very careful in terms of language also. So, along with analytical skills, you should also be good at language. So, in this case, he has cleared all amount except 5,000 is to be considered. Generally, students make mistake that 5,000 is being received or 5,000 is being cleared by him. No, 5,000 is not the amount which is not received and the balance amount is being received. So in this case, journal entry will be bank account debit, bad debts account debit to Hanuman account. So in order to post this entry, Hanuman account has to be credited by bank account and by bad debts account. So in our previous transactions, Hanuman has settled 45,000 and the 45,000 was the balance amount due from him. So in that case, 5,000 rupees is not paid by him and balance is being settled. So this is the posting entry. Moving on to the next transaction. So I think we have sorted out all the transaction. The 30th April is not a transaction, it is a balancing the account. So they have asked us to balance the Ram's account. You all know how to balance. So compare the totals of the both sides. Check the highest total and write the highest total on the both sides. In this case, credit side total is more. So hence we have written 94,000 on the both sides, and accordingly we have to derive it the balancing figure as 10,000 rupees. That has to be written on the debit side shortfall. And next period, the opening balance will be by balance brought down 10,000 rupees. Students, I hope you all have understood this particular concept number 4. Please go through once again, and if you have any doubts, please let us know through your comments or through connecting with us. In our upcoming video, we will be discussing few more conceptual aspects of CA Foundation syllabus. So keep on watching our channel Latur Academy, and do not forget to like and share this video, and also we request you to subscribe our channel Latur Academy. Thank you.